my channel. Today we're doing a Foxybae hair care unboxing. If you guys aren't familiar with Foxybae, they are a hair care company that has like the cutest, most like trendy hair tools and hair products. I just want to share with you guys some of the products they sent me over in PR as a welcome gift for being an affiliate with them. So let's get to it. We're gonna start off with, boom, this cute curling wand. It's a 32 millimeter rose gold curling wand. It's so nice and it's digital also. That's how I did my hair today. So this is what the wand looks like out of the package. A thicker wand and it's electronic, which I love. And it also has a swivel cord, so it's super practical. What I love about their wands, second one that I've used from them, I've only ever used Foxybae wands, and I just recently started using them probably about a year ago. The first one I got was a smaller one from Foxybae, but I got it in a boxy charm. My experience with wands in general is very new. I really love the way that it leaves my hair. So this has been done with the larger wand. Love the size of the wand. It gives me like those loose beach curls. Briefly touched it up today before making this video, but I fully did my hair. I styled it maybe like 2 days ago. I don't know if all wands are made the same, but what I find with wands when I use them, they always leave my hair with that body and that shape. Other times when I curl my hair, sometimes it falls flat the next day. But I love with the wands is that it really holds the curl in my hair because my hair is very thick and long. I love the size. It's like more of a looser curl, but I love it so much. Moving on. They sent me some dry shampoo. This is called the Dirty Gal Dry Shampoo. It has biotin and it's sulfate and paraben free. And like I said, their packaging is always so cute, so trendy. I did use this today too, and I really liked it because, well, I'll show you right now. I like it because it's like a soft dry shampoo. It has a really nice scent to it, and it doesn't leave your hair feeling gritty like some other dry shampoos. So this was the very first time that I used this today, and I was really impressed with that. So I know that I'll definitely be liking this. I'll be using this a lot, and I do really like it. So that's the Dirty Gal Dry Shampoo. They also sent me brassy, what's it called? Always sassy, never brassy. Blonde hair shampoo and conditioner. I have used the shampoo already. I used this on my last wash. Conditioner I didn't use. I need to kind of pay more attention to how my hair feels with this, but honestly, like so far so good. I don't have any complaints, that's for sure. What's cool about these two is that they're a 12-in-1 blend, meaning that they both have a lot of good ingredients for your hair, especially with blonde hair. You know, it's a lot of bleach, a lot of processing, so it's good to keep our hair, our blonde hair, nice and healthy. So these both have manioc oil, shea butter, Orcia sativa protein, argan oil, baobab extract, macadamia oil, coconut oil, amla oil, tsubaki oil, pitanga oil, biotin, and kukui oil. I probably butchered all those words. But basically, it adds shine, hydrates and nourishes, enhances volume, controls frizz, help repair damage, softens and creates silkiness, detangles and prevents split ends, fuller and natural body, preserves and protects color, healthy scalp, helps fortify and strengthen, thermal heat protected. So it's really awesome. If you do use purple shampoo, a lot of people don't like using them because it really dries out their hair. And honestly, I do find that the one that I use sometimes does do that. So I understand that. And so it's really nice that these are really healthy, hydrating products for chemically treated hair, and they are both sulfate and paraben free as well, so that's awesome. Also sent me a smooth sailing anti-frizz cream. So this is like a finishing cream after I styled my hair, just to kind of get rid of any frizz, kind of tame those flyaways and things like that. This will be awesome also doing a sleeked bun or a sleek ponytail look, which I like doing too. So this is just like another product to add in there just to add shine, get rid of those flyaways. So smells really nice. They all have like a classic, very similar scent, but I do really like it. They sent over some cute accessories too. So some of these types of hair elastics, these are my favorite. I find that they really hold a lot of hair without damaging or pulling it. These are funny. It's called Hotline Spring. That's cute. These other hair elastics too. I've never tried this style before, So I was really happy when they sent me them. I actually love it for long, thick hair like that. It really holds all my hair. It doesn't pull, it doesn't tug. I really recommend hair ties like this if you have hair that's similar to mine. Last but not least, these cute hairpins. Like, okay, Boss, Foxy, love, like how cute. Just like put it there. Boom, so cute. So yeah, that's it for my little unboxing video with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got to see some of the products that they have to offer. They always have crazy sales. Like I said, I am an affiliate. I'm gonna leave my info in the description box if you guys ever wanna shop with me. They'll have sales that's like 60% off, 70% off, buy this, get this free, like just so many good sales. With my affiliate code, you would get 60% off Hot Tools. And then I also have a 10% discount code for any of their hair accessories and products. So if you're interested in this, you could get 10% off, and the hair elastics 10% off. If you are looking for Hot Tools, you get 60% off with this, with my code. And they have like so many cool, like they have the 3-barrel mermaid wave tool. They have the like that Revlon brush, blow dry brush. Like they just have every type of trendy product that you might be looking for. They most likely have it, and they're always coming up with new things, but the best is that everything's always on sale. So if you guys are interested, like I said, shop with my codes below. And that's it. Don't forget to follow me on social media, Instagram, TikTok, here on YouTube. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.